Craving a quick, healthy, and satisfying breakfast? This spicy avocado egg toast is packed with flavor and takes just minutes to make. Start by toasting 2 slices of sourdough bread to golden perfection. For an extra layer of flavor, spread on a bit of butter while warm, totally optional but absolutely delicious. Cut 1 ripe avocado in half, remove the seed, cut into 8 to 10 slices. Add half a tablespoon of mayonnaise, then season with salt and pepper to taste. This creates a creamy, rich base for our toast. Next, peel 2 hard-boiled eggs and mashed. They add a hearty, protein-rich topping that balances the creamy avocado. Spread the mashed hard-boiled eggs mixture over your warm sourdough. Top each slice with the sliced avocado for a hearty bite. Here's the twist. Sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper or chili flakes for a bold kick of flavor. This heat balances the richness and makes it unforgettable. And that's it. Spicy avocado egg toast. Simple, tasty, and ready in minutes. Pair it with your favorite coffee and tea, and you have a savory breakfast or snack. Like, subscribe, and share for more quick and health gourmet recipes.